Forgiveness. Sometimes just the thought of forgiveness can cause us discomfort. But we have a choice. We can hold on to that discomfort by refusing to forgive, or we can get rid of it for good with the power of forgiveness. Choosing to forgive someone who has caused us pain can feel overwhelming and sometimes impossible. But what should feel even more overwhelming and impossible is living with that pain. Forgiveness is the ultimate freedom, and not for them, but for you. We give up part of ourselves, our soul, when we allow the actions of others to control us, because they're not the ones living with the pain. We are. It's time to let it go, and not just in your mind, but in your heart and in your soul. I'm Psychologist Dr. Traci Moreno. This course is structured like a series of therapy sessions. I will guide you through thought-provoking exercises to apply the concepts to your own life. At the end of each session, I'll lead you into therapy homework that you'll complete on your own and lead yourself to your own healing. If you're ready to surrender control and take back your life, then come with me on this journey to forgiveness and freedom. Once you completed this course, there's no going back. No going back to anger, sadness, or resentment. All you need to start with is an open mind and an open heart.